and I knew that I could stand here now, felt like I won the lottery.
Just come back to the hotel on day 2 in the ECC, and today we're working on this, the Voice Project.
So all the way back in February, when myself and 5 other young people had travelled to Geneva for the UNCRC periodic review pre-session, we were just, chatting about some ideas for the 30th anniversary. So then we sort of came to the conclusion, well, why don't I write a book about children's rights to try and empower young people and give them as much information about their rights and the history of children in Wales as possible.
A beth ydych chi'n meddwl am y llyfr yma? I think it's brilliant. I wish they made adult books as colourful and interesting.
My highlight of this residential was the UNCRC meeting, which was about what's the most important right for children and young people in Wales.
I really enjoy being a Young Wales volunteer. It gives me the opportunity to have my voice heard in an impactful way.
The experiences here that I've gotten, I don't think I'll get them anywhere else. And being able to put my opinion out there and actually making a difference for once.